about how much it's going to cost to do Thanksgiving this year? Me too. You are not alone. So with the rising cost of food prices, we totally want to have a really amazing Thanksgiving dinner, but we don't want to blow the budget. We don't want to make too much food. We don't want to have leftovers that not everybody's going to eat. A few years ago, I went to the 99cents only store, and they actually paid me to do a blog post about this where we did a full Thanksgiving spread for under $50. Now, this did not include the turkey. And for the turkey, instead of getting a whole big turkey, I'll share with you guys what our tips are for how to save some money on getting the turkey and not have a ton of leftovers. Like, I don't know about you guys, but we end up making turkey tacos, turkey tamales, turkey soup, and we still have leftover turkey that goes bad every year. So we decided not to do that anymore. So I'm going to share my tips for that with you here at the end of the video. I did this post a few years ago about how to shop at the 99cents only store. They have produce, they have food, they even have wine, and you can get everything there for under $50. But prices have gone up since then. So I went and priced it out, and you can still do it for under $60 this year in 2022. Now, if you're watching this in 2023, maybe you'll be able to get it for even less. I don't know. Or if you're watching this in future years. But I wanted to share this with you guys and kind of go over everything that we did, the recipes that we made, and then I'll give you a link down below this video where you can go and get all the recipes and all of the details. Now, before we go any further and dive into how I made all the recipes, how we set up the table and created the tablescapes and all that fun stuff and made it really, really beautiful, totally on a budget, I want to ask you to subscribe. If you like this video and other smart, fun DIY videos, click that subscribe button down below the video. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere down here. So that you can sign up and get notified when we're doing more videos. Now, I am Jennifer Priest, and I am the creator here at SmartFunDIY, and we're going to be creating a lot more videos in the coming months and years. So I'm really excited to share all of that with you, and I hope that you'll join us for the adventure. Now, let's go ahead and dive into how we created our Thanksgiving dinner for less than $60. Now let's look at how I set up the tablescape. I got everything for this table except for the tablecloth at the 99cents only stores. The paper plates, all of the food, all of these little decorations, the candles, the little leaves that are made out of felt that are on the table. I did have the glasses already and the dishes that the food is served in. I'll also show you how to make these cute little place card holders at the end of this video. I found these really beautiful heirloom tomatoes, 2 for 99 cents in the produce section, as well as some balsamic vinaigrette and olive oil, all at the 99cent only store. And we use that to create this really beautiful avocado and balsamic heirloom tomato salad. Now, just a reminder, you can grab the recipe for this from my blog linked below. We also did a sweet potato casserole and some stuffing using, again, items that we got at the 99cent only store. Now, they have wine there. I had no idea. So we were able to grab a couple different bottles of wine to treat our guests to a really lovely selection at our dinner. A few years back, 99cent only stores started carrying produce, and they even have some organic selections. So we grabbed some Brussels sprouts and created this really delicious roasted Brussels sprout recipe that is also on the blog. We got a couple different boxes of cornbread muffin mix and created our own version of cornbread muffins with some chiles in them. Again, that recipe is over on the blog. And everything that we use to create our beautiful tablescape is from the 99cent only store. Now, the selection is going to change year to year, so they're going to have different things this year, but that's totally cool because you can get everything that you need truly at this one store. Like I said, items change from year to year, but they always have really cute things like this. So this is how we made these really adorable place card holders, is just using a little tiny chalkboard from 99cents only and a cute little stuffed animal that they had. I used a craft knife to cut a little slit to slip the chalkboard little handle into, and that was it. These cost about $2 per person. Next, I created a menu on a chalkboard that I also got at 99cents only and just used some chalk to write what we were having on there and set up this really pretty backdrop for our table. And here you can see the entire spread plus our pumpkins. I just used some things I had around the house as well as those items from 99cents only. Now, here are my tips for what to do instead of a whole big, huge turkey, because you don't want to have a ton of leftovers. You don't want to spend a ton of money. You don't want to be throwing out a bunch of extra meat that you didn't eat. So one thing that one of my friends is doing is they're going to do a whole chicken. Just keep it simple. A whole chicken is pretty eatable by like 4 or 5 people, maybe 6 people. You could split a chicken pretty easily. Another option is what we did. Instead of buying the whole turkey, because we still wanted the turkey experience, we bought a turkey breast. At most stores, you can buy just the turkey breast alone, or you can go to the stores and sometimes they have the thigh and leg quarters for the turkey if you're looking for doing the dark meat. Another option is to go with Cornish game hens, and I've linked a recipe down below for our Grand Marnier glazed Cornish game hens that we love to do at Christmas, but you can totally do these at Thanksgiving as well. I hope that you enjoyed these tips for how to have a budget-friendly Thanksgiving. Click around here down at the bottom to subscribe, and here at the end we'll have another video suggestion for you to watch if you want more smart, fun DIY videos. Happy Thanksgiving!